So while my sister is okay, yes, or yes, I'm gonna explain what we're doing today. So I've got my phone here. It's the transparent one, and she's got hers, and then we're gonna decorate it today because I got tired of the K-pop one really fast.
We're not surprised.
Yeah, we're not. So we're gonna decorate it with just stickers, and let's challenge how quick I will get tired of it. We've got a camera here so you can see what we're doing, and we've got a camera here so you can see what we're doing. Sync audio.
Let's put
Oh my god, 언니.
I'm gonna choose from this bag again. As you can see from last time, it didn't tidy up at all. Bread! Let's get this party started. Let's get this bread. Oh, another one. These ones. Let's get naked. Let's get Nikki. Now we've got a dog, so dogs are special. You make me kiss. Oh my god. Yes. I will link all of the stickers below if I remember. Let's see. Should I? I'm putting you and you're putting. 我冇帶我同你咯。唔係咯，我記得仲有另一個咧係勁 cute 嘅，但我唔知佢係佢邊個。She's broken. Oh my god. Now I broke this naked. Look at how cute this is. 同埋個 thumbnail 應該係我哋兩個攞住個電話喺嗰度影咯，因為呢度個 background it's cut 咗佢咧，跟住佢喺呢度。Okay, so I'm gonna find one that sets the tone for the case. The thing that sets the tone is this.
I don't care.
I want these. Oh my god, I'm gonna do this one. We're gonna do Scana. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? More. 邊隻狗最得意啊？你。Your hoe 咩一樣㗎？Yellow swag 呢個好似你嘅真係。Apple 邊個好似我呢個？ Well, just say something so brave yet so controversial. I'm looking to stick this one. Or maybe this one. 等呢個 because it's us. 我想 stick us. 我想 stick us 間啦。呢個 and it's us 呢個你㗎喎。好啦，要呢個。我哋要望住嗰個講多啲，如果唔係咧就冇得用。Swaggy 唔係3個嘅咩喺度？有3條咁樣。Oh my god！ 呢個勁得意咯。Please excuse my face up. I don't know what it is in English. Congestion. 勁得意呢個，呢個真係好得意啦 ！Everyone, please buy this. This is so cute. And I'm regretting that I only got one because I want more. I want more. Walking along down those street. Oh my god. 我想似邊個好啊？ I wanna be by my stuff. Please. Street of where they stay all day in the sun. Why am I cheating? Wish I have no concept. Look, it's us! This gives me Animal Crossing vibes. Also, T-Sisters. Should I do an Animal Crossing Island tour though? Like, even though I know I'm very late right now, everyone has done it. But like, who cares about trends? You know? Y'all should care about my island. And that's all you should care about.
She's whack.
So don't see.
I'm suck at DIY.
How much she do?
싫어? Sure. Kind of looks bad though.
Yeah.
이거.
네가 방수가 취해도.
I don't know why it's there.
I don't have nails to do that.
Not my fault. Do fall in love. See. Can't sing. Oh, 我好唔捨得轉呢個 case though, cause oh my god, but cause it's kind of unfair though, like, cause white goes with everything. And
You
purple
Okay, bought it. I wanted to buy the purple one.
It's not fair. Oh my god, 上次已經用咗啦. I've got the same idea. I'm original. Visual. 我想要
I want this one, but in pink. Because red is ugly.
好得意啊咁樣。
Where? Also, the big boys.
Yeah.
Where is it?
I did it. Don't know. Where is the fucking other one? 咩啊？藍色個你要擲住咗咯 ，stupid hole。
Stop.
Stupid hole.
Okay, bye. Where's?
Sorry, it didn't
died.
work out. 啊！我諗住黐個紫色，我唔記得咗個phone case 嘅紫色。
You have to give it to me.
Give it to me, baby, give it to me。佢真冇晒 pink 咯，佢以前係有一兩嚿 pink 嘅。
你用晒。
That I used. 我唔想用咁多 green because it's already got a green. So I wanna look for something like pink or red, but this is hot pink, and I'm not a fan of hot pink.
Oh my
Maybe
God,
red
like
will
this
look good. It does look good, but I don't want to give up on. Oh my god.
We cry.
This is so chaotic.
Like our lives.
Like us. Oh, I stole it. And I didn't even know it.
嗰個哋以後 cut 貼住 cut deep 啲咯 ，deep。
要好得。
我琴日喺度重睇 PewDiePie
Get me.
Minecraft。
Nice. You strawberry milk. Why don't you say so?
咁講下我哋哋有聽。
Oh yeah, because we joined the Spotify family plan. So from this, our dad listens to a lot of music from popular the top chart playlists, and then since he got the chance, he explores music more. So now he listens to
K-pop top
K-pop
charts.
and TikTok music.
Nice.
Why
don't you
say so?
Didn't even notice.
You can't even see me.
It's the joint.
It's not good.
Compare.
I think the style whole difference.
It's just life.
睇到我嗰邊擺喺度係咪好似係個 poop? the piece of bread. 死啦，搣唔返呢個 meteor.
Didn't even notice.
所以我決定我要黐多隻，細隻。
個殼喺邊嚟
嚟睇 This
Where?
dinosaur is dying.
？Dinosaur.
And his friend is escaping. That's just a way of life.
Even.
M for Melody. My empire. Empire.
Should I add garbage?
You know
Or the cat?
It's your dad.
Or this
Yeah.
Or this one?
blue almost.
Girl, I
blue.
lose myself up in those
Eyes.
eyes. I just had to let you know you're
I'm just trying to balance the whole color scheme. So now I've only got one pink thing, so I'm gonna add another pink thing. And some of you might be thinking, that's not how color works.
Some of you might be
And
thinking
I'm
that's
like-
ugly.
That's none of your business though.
好得意。Look at them. 佢哋兩個排緊隊。
And now you might be thinking, this area is a little bit too barren. And I will say, Karen, you're right.
Baron Karen.
馬咋？
I need a yellow. Give me a yellow. This ugly yellow. Where's you go?
Just a whisper away,
Is here?
waiting for me. Does she know my life? I know if it's real. Oh my god. See what I see, does it feel what I feel?
Does it fit? That's what she said.
I was about to say it. We are 12. Okay, I think I'm done. Is she done? This is my rainbow color scheme case. It looks kind of bad.
Rainbow color schemes and mold color schemes.
My law. You are
Fucking sexist when you
smile.
Look at her. She's got a problem.
Yeah, she has.
Oh my god.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. Look, I stuck.
Five star.
One.
You stuck.
The name thing on
stuck.
here, so it looks more coherent.
No.
Nice hack.
Oh my god，好得意呢個橙，
Where? Where were you?
但係你全部橙色。我咪應該整咗呢個白，因為 kind of doesn't fit。係咪冇咗個白好啲？
Our fun figure.
Low-key ugly.
覺得要。
Oh, she's sweet psycho, a little bit psycho.
Point fun.
Nice。
Cute. Thank you. Also, we're almost able to monetize the channel. The hard work paid off. 同埋咧，其實咧，I low-key want to do another what's on my phone, and it's not because it got a lot of views. Okay, don't freaking judge me. I'm not that crazy.
You are.
It's just because I reorganized my apps
Every other
again,
week.
and then I download some other apps for productivity, and yeah, for productivity only. I was about to say games, but I don't download games. So I want to do another one, and I'm trying to figure out how to make it more interesting. I love Bob.
Job.
Look, it's us. It's us.
I guess it's like a postcard.
It's us.
I am thinking of doing a room tour, but like everyone else on YouTube has really large rooms, but my room literally only has one straight line you can walk on, and other places are
Your room has one room.
none. And I'm not saying that to say I'm not privileged. I know having your own room is privileged, but it's kind of not interesting. No, I mean it's interesting, but
Sometimes
it's not like other rooms that are so large and that you can lie on the floor. Like, I have no floor space. So let me know if you're interested. in a room tour, and I will tidy up my room a bit. Maybe, probably won't.
It's your truth. Speak
Yeah,
your
I'm gonna
truth.
speak my truth about my room. So now we're done. We're gonna show you. Wow, this is my case. Special case. This is my case. It's a rainbow theme. This is our dog, even though she's not white. She's a Shiba.
She's Asian.
Okay, whatever. And this is me. This is my sister. Cutest freak. M for Melody. And 3 trees for saving the trees. And then dinosaur extinct to remind us if we don't change our behavior,
We will go extinct.
and then some sushi because I love sushi. And then I've
turn of
got
the tides.
a Rico thing here to make the thing look more complete. Thank you. Your turn, bitch.
Beach. I've got me and my sister.
I'm a candy. What's
Yeah.
wrong with you?
See it, coward. Me and my sister, 咪冇.
你可以講中文。
I don't know either language.
你係冇原因。
There's no theme. The theme is my stickers.
That's why you're inferior.
It's my stickers.
Oh my god, sisters. Also, you used to be able to buy the stickers from our store, but now we can't ship anything because of motherfucking Voldemort. So if you can, please consider commissioning both of us.
So ugly.
If you like our products, so you can support us financially. Thank you.
It's ugly without her.
That's the truth.
Foul mind.
Ooh, I want you back.
Gay book. Thumbnail.
Like. Og det hører
Met
igjen.
me.
Jakes.
Again. Our mental synchronization.
Thumbnail time.
Biggest dirty.
That A.
Why don't you say so?
You're a
Didn't fucking pussy.
Swag.
有陽光 Zoom，因為遠啊嘛，所以唔 zoom。